So this right here is probably one of the most unique air fryers that I've ever come across. I mean, at first glance, it doesn't even look like a traditional air fryer, like what you see right over here. Looks kind of weird. There's all these different components that you have here. So essentially, instead of inserting an air fryer basket into the air fryer, you essentially have this heating element which sits directly on top of the actual glass container. And these glass containers that you see here, these essentially serve as the air frying basket. So I feel like the design of this is clever, but it took me some time to adjust to. And so here's how it works. So unlike a traditional air fryer where you have the basket and it inserts into the air fryer, with the Ninja Crispi Air Fryer, the food goes straight into a glass container, okay? And then the power pod, which is this mechanism right here, sits on top of the glass container, okay? And there is an adapter so that it can fit like the larger glass container that you see right over here. So essentially, instead of an air fryer basket, these glass containers work as the cooking air fryer basket. So essentially what this means is that if you decide to cook food inside of the glass container using the Ninja Crispi Air Fryer, and it's done, the basket itself can actually serve as the serving plate. And then once you're done eating from the actual basket, you can place a lid on it and throw it straight into the fridge. So this means that there's less time needed to transfer food between containers. Like for example, just yesterday night, I made salmon within one of my other air fryers and I had to transfer the salmon from the air fryer basket to a glass container that looks like this. So I feel like I like the design. I feel like it is a bit innovative. The cooking workflow, as far as using the glass container as the air fryer basket, is different from most air fryers that I've used before. Essentially, to use the same container to cook in from start to finish, it is convenient to some extent. Now, if you're not used to kind of using the power pod to cook on top of the glass container, of course, it's going to take some time to actually get used to, but that was the main feature that really stood out to me, which was having to reduce the amount of time it takes to transfer food from your air fryer basket to your serving plate. Just because with this here, it functions as an all-in-one. You make your food in here, you serve your food from here, and you store your food in here. Now, the two glass containers that are included, you have this one here, which is the 6-cup container. And then you also have this one right here, which is the 6-cup container. And then you have this one here, which is the 4-quart container. So for the 6-cup container, I think it holds about like 1.5 quarts. It also is great for individual meals. So you can meal prep your food inside of this basket here. And once you're ready to eat, you could actually go ahead and place the power pod on top and cook your food. So I find that the 6-cup glass container is really good for leftovers. It's good for lunches. It's good for like single meals or smaller portions. Whereas the larger 6-quart container, this holds around 16 cups. This is great for larger meals. So think meals for up to family members of 4. Think larger meal preps, think family dinners. That's what you're going to be using this container here for. Now, both containers, they're made to withstand really high cooking temperatures, and it's made of like a borosilicate glass, which is commonly used in a lot of premium kitchen products. Both containers do include their covers. Okay, so once you're done eating from it, you can basically just cover it up and snap it shut and then throw it straight into the fridge. Now, of course, with glass, this does require careful handling. Like with glass, if you drop it, it's probably going to break. But the neat thing about it is that it does include these hot handles. So as the food is cooking within the air fryer glass, it does have these handles here, which you can use to handle and place down the food just like that. Now, the power pod, which is this mechanism here, this is going to act as the actual air fryer. So with the power pod, you do have the adapter here. So with the adapter, you use the adapter for the larger 6-quart container, and then you remove the adapter and use the power pod just directly onto the smaller container, just like this. There are 4 different functions where for the power pod. You have a bake, you have a recrisp, you have an air fry, and then you have a max crisp function with the power pod. It is connected via an outlet, of course, that you see here. Now, for each of these modes, the air fry mode, which is this one over here, think of this for like everyday cooking. You have the recrisp and the max crisp functions as well, which is like reheating leftover food. So think like soggy fries, soggy nuggets. anything that you've gotten from the restaurant and you want to go ahead and reheat, that's where the recrisp function really shines. So I want to emphasize the actual workflow with the Ninja Crispi Air Fryer. And it starts with one of two ways. Either you have leftovers from your leftover meal from last night, or maybe you came back from a restaurant and you have leftovers. Those leftovers can basically be housed within the glass container. And then when you're ready to eat it, you can just put the power pod on top of it. If you need the larger quart basket, you can use the adapter and place it on just like that. Once it's heated, you can eat directly or serve directly from the glass container. And then once you're ready to put it back into the fridge, that's when you can use these lids to place it on just like that. So I feel like with the Ninja Crispi Air Fryer, there's very little transfer and there's very little cleaning involved. And surprisingly, the Power Pod leaves a very small footprint. So this is very easy to store away, as you can see here. And it takes up a lot less space compared to traditional air fryers. When you do need to put this away, let's say that you're not using the 6-quart container, it could actually be housed just like this and then be easily stored away within a cabinet. And it just takes up a lot less space compared to traditional air fryers that I've used before. Now, as far as cleanup goes, the glass containers themselves, both the 4-quart and the 6 cup and the 4-quart, both of these are dishwasher safe, so you can easily throw them into the dishwasher. The lids that are included are also dishwasher safe, allowing for easy cleanup. And then you have the crisper plates, is what they call it. These are also dishwasher safe. Now, the adapter for this one right here, this is also dishwasher safe. The only item that I is definitely not recommended to throw into the dishwasher is, of course, the Power Pod unit, this one right here. So I feel like the Ninja Crispi Air Fryer, this is really good for people who are doing meal preps. This is good for people who have small households. Let's say that you don't have a lot of room in your kitchen. That's where the Ninja Crispi Air Fryer really shines. It also emphasizes a good point as far as reheating leftovers. So if you like to reheat leftovers, this is a really easy and convenient way to do so. Just know that you're not going to be using that traditional air fryer workflow method, whereas it might take some time to get used to. Now, for people who prefer traditional air fryer baskets, the size of these containers is not that large compared to like 8-quart baskets or like 12-quart baskets. So if you're cooking for a lot of family members, this is probably not going to be good for you as well. If you don't want to be handling glass, another reason why this may not be a good option for you as well. If you want to maximize your cooking capacity, again, I'd say the biggest con is that you don't really get a lot of cooking capacity within these glass containers. Overall, with the Ninja Crispi Air Fryer, with what I've used it with so far, I really like the idea of the workflow as far as using the container to cook, serve, and store. All of this is dishwasher safe, minus the Power Pod right over here. It's very easy to clean up. It's very great for it's great for leftovers as well, and it's got a really nice, neat air fryer design. To me, it doesn't take up a lot of room in order to store it. So if you need to put it away, it easily stores away in a cabinet or a pantry. Now, the major cons that I've mentioned before, it is going to take some time to get used to. Okay, so if you're used to a traditional air fryer basket, this is going to take some time to get used to. It's different. It has a different workflow compared to traditional air fryers. The glass handling, although it includes these handles, it is still technically glass, so you've got to be careful with it. And it does have a smaller capacity to cook food in compared to other air fryers that I've used before. Now, I really like the Ninja Crispi Air Fryer just simply because of its workflow rather than its raw cooking power. I don't think it's gonna excel when it comes to cooking, but it is going to excel when it comes to saving time, reducing cleanup, and also, but it is going to excel when it comes to reducing time, cooking leftovers, and reducing cleanup all in one. And the storage solution with this being able to be tucked away just like this and storing it away just makes it really convenient to go ahead and put away in cabinets and pantries. But that's essentially it as far as the Ninja Crispi Air Fryer goes. I hope you found this video helpful, everyone. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.